Assalamualaikum. Hope you all are fine and enjoying my videos. Before starting the video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell. Whenever I come online, the bell rings in your phone too. Now I'm coming today with a new exciting video making a pepper pan which you love it and you can give it for your loved ones, your teachers, your parents, your siblings, and this is gonna make a beautiful pan. Let's start. Now you just needed a few things and you make this beautiful pepper pan in different designs. You just need a nip of pan and any two color of A4 size paper. I take the beige and the brown one. First I just measure a nip pan into the A4 size paper, then I cut it out with scissors into two parts. After completing the rolling of these two cutting stripes into the nip of pan, then I take the brown stripes which I actually overrolled into the nip of pan, and actually I make a zebra stripes on it. You can make any design, whatever you like. It's your own creativity which you love it, which you like it. After completed brown stripes, the pan looked so yummy, like a chocolate wafer biscuit. Okay, now after that I just measure the back side of the pan for the cap of pan which I'm gonna make. I just paste one side of this cap pan with glue. Now if you like my videos, please watch, like and share. Hope you like this chocolate wafer, I mean the paper pan, which looks so tempting and beautiful, and it's so easy to make. Like you can use any color which you like and you can make any design on it with your own creativity, and while you are writing with this it looks so beautiful. I just make with two different designs, one in blue and yellow and the other one is in pink and green. While in pink and green I just put the stripes on it, and in the blue one I just put the small squares of yellow in it. I hope you all like my video. Please subscribe, like and share and hit the bell. Thank you.